If you've lost access to your IPVanish account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process of recovering your account without needing your phone. Step 1. Visit the IPVanish website. Go to the official IPVanish website using a web browser. Look for the login option, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will redirect you to the password recovery page where you can initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from IPVanish. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as it may have been filtered there. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password for your account. Once completed, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to IPVanish customer support for further assistance. They can help you recover your account using alternative methods.